Mastering everyday English. Understanding maxing out. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might have heard in conversations, movies, or even in financial contexts: maxing out. It's a versatile phrase that can be confusing at first, but by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a native speaker. So, let's maximize our learning and get started. Maxing out refers to using something to its fullest potential or reaching a limit. Originally, it comes from the world of credit cards, where it means to charge a credit card to its limit. But don't worry, it's not just for talking about finances. In finances, when used financially, maxing out means reaching the credit limit on a credit card. For example, she's maxed out her credit card shopping for the holidays. In physical activities, in the gym, maxing out might mean lifting the heaviest weight you can handle for one repetition. Like, he's maxing out today to see what his new one representative max is. In day-to-day life, it can also mean to use up all of one's resources or capacities, such as time or energy. I've been maxing out my schedule with work and school. It's not just about reaching a peak. Sometimes, maxing out can have a negative connotation, implying overextension or imprudence. For instance, you're maxing out yourself with all these late nights. You need to rest. Let's practice with a few examples to get comfortable with the phrase. I can't go out tonight, I've maxed out my budget this month. She's really maxing out her potential at her new job. We've maxed out the capacity for the event. No more tickets are available. Remember, the context will often dictate the meaning. And that's a wrap on maxing out. You've learned its origins, meanings, and how to use it in various contexts. With this new phrase in your vocabulary arsenal, you're one step closer to sounding like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to max out the like button if you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.